Hello and welcome. Today, I'm sharing a detailed female vitality protocol review from a doctor's perspective, focusing on how this program can help women naturally regain energy, hormonal balance, and intimate desire through pelvic floor exercises. Many women come to me struggling with fatigue, mood swings, and low libido, especially after childbirth, during menopause, or high stress. These symptoms often stem from weakened or misaligned pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in hormonal regulation, blood flow, and nerve function. The Female Vitality Protocol is a specialized exercise program designed to target and strengthen these pelvic muscles. Unlike supplements or medications that only mask symptoms, this protocol addresses the root cause by retraining your body. It uses gentle, scientifically backed movements that improve circulation and restore nerve pathways essential for female vitality. Compared to other alternatives like hormone replacement therapy, pharmaceutical drugs, or generic fitness routines, this program offers several advantages. It's natural and non-invasive, without the risks of side effects common with medications. It focuses specifically on the pelvic floor, a key area often neglected in general exercise programs. It improves multiple aspects of female health simultaneously: energy levels, libido, and emotional well-being. Many women who have tried the Female Vitality Protocol report lasting improvements in their energy, sexual satisfaction, and overall quality of life without resorting to prescription drugs. As a medical professional, I recommend this protocol for women seeking a holistic, sustainable approach to female vitality. It's a practical solution based on anatomy and physiology, not just guesswork or temporary fixes. If you're interested, there's a special discount available for a limited time. I encourage you to check the link in the description to learn more and try the program risk-free. Thank you for watching this Female Vitality Protocol review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions or want to hear about related health topics.